the Bishop Esha former 40 days. 40 days. Mr. Biara. Ojina baby country Bishop Udin. Obi the Bishop for baby. Nipa no ye no. Omakechia ebetwa so immediately he goes down.
This is where all the action is. Your man Dave Hammer, Matinasi. Na yeba bedi nkomo live on Dave Hammer TV. Ene yebeda Harry Beauty Parlor e watafo ase. Yes, sir. Oma my why fe. Yes. Abeye me pedicure, abeye me manicure. Yeah. Ebe so hwe me more no. I fe. Eh me bubu more acho. That's how ko bubu more acho.
Anya na.
Na ese mono. Harry Beauty Parlor adaroma. Oma my why fe. I don't want some more tough for more bear, you know. Tea, but come as now, pass by now, per se, we you 2% looking good at Harry Beauty Parlor.
What is on side massage?
None one come, mamma, moment, me.
There will be me.
There be there.
Almost I did, I must have come in me, a machine, come, man, so a son of one ground. Oh, your man on something, didn't you? And do I be on one of me? Also, wow, I would say I am a small cover, but maybe I subscribe to your channel, Dave Hammer TV. Now, Wabrabo Enya Sarah, because we give you all the action. Yes, Sabri Kayoka Krebiaba, Yaba, Yene, Mr. Isaac Roxon, a bidding come all the way from Accra, and which Minimia Minia Osoko, a bidding come. So standing for MP. Standing for MP, Tafo. When I'm just standing for MP. Now, who's over by a never ball. Which was my dear way in a. Maybe I've been here, maybe premier you. This is Dave Hammer TV.
Hi, this is Vivian Jo Lawrence. Keep watching Dave Hammer TV, cause it's the best.
Welcome back from that break. Sabri Dave Hammer Matinasi. May you sure say what subscribe to your channel. Me no kase mi amenua osoko e wo fiase. Ya me admo china ene yesie eye nua Bishop Bernard Nyako e won cry. Na me wujide se obeko producers, directors, marketers, actors, actresses. Me wujide se mu nyina mu beko presenters, media. Me se mu nyina mu beko. Nyako akuja, nyako akusi eye Bishop Bernard Nyako. Your friend Dave Hammer, and this is DH Media, and this is Dave Hammer TV. Sabri Osoko, YouTube star. Yes, one followers change akwa ye virtual to the whole world. Yes. 67 million. 67 million views.
When I have a record label, with the 3 months near record label.
Record label. Record label.
With the 3 months near, at least 4 million viewers.
I see.
The whole West Africa, when I'm a kind of comic. And I'm Mark
of comic. Wow.
Mark Angel.
Angel.
On a queen of comic in the whole West Africa.
Okay.
As of now, Obiano or viewers chair.
Let's go and watch you.
We could take 95 million.
Wow.
Yes.
95 million.
When I'm Messiah, I don't go ambassador.
Okay.
Messiah Achuma Bank ambassador.
I see.
Messiah Pragia Abuboya ambassador.
I see.
And there's a also be up a trending. Team up a trending there.
Okay.
And they say this sanitizer bed, the paper is not a good team.
Okay.
Say I'm from a person named Kelly Moano. No one would do that. A Kumano Muneze.
Okay.
Columbus.
But one of Nipamaya should know smash no.
Oh,
and I own Ruza.
There be animated. I don't going to be here. I'm one issue. Ah, sanitizer. I'm the family. Someone my hearing him. I don't know. Was a herbalist in the whole. Africa. Don't take a quote in a herbalist. In the whole sanitizer na also the year on sahono what's the year winning oh sanitizer no to me the sacra between the summer now no me to the bibia person the bibia I don't buy see akwa
but say no smart they will say washes
oh there me no and we take 72 hours
who did sanitizer and you winning that's how to be home
all right we say we mo ya no I say bush dog no
why is it
bush dog
bush dog
kramana mo de ya fa na mo de ya te am ntimi hu mi ti really ya 72 hours na masari for na me de replace no
okay
no so me sanitizer na fa me sa ho a
okay
na me bia fa me na ho ni me tiri no ba bia me timi de sra nyina sem kun ya bo no hu a
e fa Colombo doctor ko to the West Africa o na doctor papa
I see
herbalist
okay
say ba na Ebola ni HIV dwane ya ayare a ehunti mo say social distance go ye adwuma ba bi na wo bi na de be me abo no
me bi
David Hammer
also so far Ochana yesie yenua Bishop Bernard Nyako did you have a chance of meeting him?
Oh, I am a can say the Mama Miraho. I now can someone can my basa. Maybe I'm moving industry so cool, Namo J production. And I'm Bishop Kusia. Nay, Miracle Juma. I walk Kobe. As some of catcher when they say boy or a star. Boy or a star. I will say, oh, Jimmy over there as our one as me. Couldn't believe say or cancer 7 or catcher the big star of the whole Ghana. Papa no
Bishop and
I am ya Ghana on you lose stars ya no catch me money boy busa for shade me movie industry me mo bia shade say papa na free mo no ya
sister when you see at this here
I say o court say punching dollars face special body language the whole Ghana or no akroboto ajaku say omoye bi na lewe mo
no who no so be star
o kan say my star
am pampas why
am boy o say na me J production location driver.
Okay.
Yes, location that bana bispo kwa be active. Emo me da Jones as Jones so masne. Ohumi na so o me flare. Betimi ya adwuma no so na flare.
Okay.
The flare no dey say, "What do you be once opuwi na nimu ho nsame." Nti ohumi no kana mpa so bosha na kana ba mti na me ra odi. Anwumre be 6 o'clock am fro bus na akina makọ me boss yenti. Me so bi obi o star. And obi a onimu Bishop Bernard obi a movie industry the whole way ye nyina nko hie no na ya reho ba kan si ya because na kan kra mama no mansa to him.
Did you work with him?
Ai
wona ne adwuma
man na ye adwuma me ne na ye adwuma mo yi no ai ye adwuma ma Pepe.
Oh,
Pepe Bordam
Germany.
Pepe Germany ye ne wadwana other TV station grow
Pepe
Bordam o Ghana oba Ebushaland no so be school among me ne na ye say adwuma na ho.
Can you movie na Bordam man?
Movie no Bordam.
They Pepe Bordam
there ye dam papa movie mudam
movie mudam can you
away movie mudam ye dam papa be more dam sir
okay
do hear me ah on say smart you what adwuma na ye ma wa ye fit be obi a no Pepe me sia asemo de bi
nti na free Bishop and Nyako nche
oh de ma me free nche no say captain for me international man nyi Bishop ye star me so me star o shira me wi na say me teme ho te say de okọ asore na
o shira
me wi o shira bless me say kodwuma bless you for ye adwuma ama the whole world ajibotum me papa papa me no la obi a location ka me nim hwe ya ka so kura me hu sini juma me me nya 2 me anya 3 years ya ka bibia me ya kwa mama obi a ya almost 20 years record am in Ghana not a single person will say star our Ghana waiting here don't go there men ko say 64 million Ghana 29 million 2 year there money pass 64 million for 3 months they say as at now 67 million viewers our Ghana there and they say you are big star they say YouTube there when I'm YouTube see ho say that you go Ghana see ho let me see ho kwa kuma no see ho across aje see ho na na mamu no bibenje mu no aje asi won saa na me so be Ghana di me bo Ghana di amu aya na mu stars no yeni ho a mo ni nje mo se bi an Bishop free say me tinje Bishop me ti mark say Bishop act be do was act
be na why say
Bishop act this say what blofo me say me ntwe onti are ho na ba bi asu o da bi nyina ni bi hu na de
mo ko e bat
me ko e na manwi one na ebo oh no bad boy won say tafuta na de as a bad boy me mo ko no da me ni obi nko da na say sa be na do be so mu na edini nti mi twika na mi ja ka twena me se me pese me ko yesi ni djuma na ma so da ye hu se me hu stars no se me no be djuma
o so da ye
me so da ye eni pa mi hu no ko jon kansa la no
I see
mi hu kansa se na
o so da ye hu ko jon kansa la we
yes na me ne act ti ye na mka che bo be fa na do won so ne je production ye djuma da oni mera ka ye djuma da ti na ado me pese me act na de ana ye me ya ne se sini djuma no wura mu a onu anu mo mu no na mo twu film mo twu ba se ya I tell you I'm do who say
Stain can the same thing
and there was a bia ka student say David you hello FW na mpesa me say me stay me presenter ana bia me be DJ na MC o so me mra o je ma baba edu so no je mu edu be na me nua no bibria yi mi ama na nipa me da na se me da na ni ase me da tutu ase
Nene
82 and I just love
Canada. Bad boys in Kwanzu and all.
And
Nene say we're bad.
I say you're very wonderful. Nene say was such a
Nene.
Yes.
Nene well no such.
You say what Yabi as one or Yabi than the move. Who be jay?
So
to be a star Uroma. Maybe to say one cramming for you.
So
who did my time for you? I mean them free bar. And I'll be a star. So me name here call them and I may know be cool fear. Me Pierre Bonte me to be first I need Pierre Bonte. Me be him and I'll be moving this to do now a star or actor and actress. Now only manager and management. We all problem. So the me base answer me friend me manager ma concern me kasa. Na me am me pen akwa ko bi na ko sim bia.
Superstar. 69 million.
Yes, all power back over a quick time I befoul. David Hammer, quick time, quick time I befoul. David Hammer, dear. David Hammer, no David Hammer. There's a hello for you.
Hey, I'm slow.
Oh, maybe slow me come. Oh, no, I'm here.
I am slow. That's so standing for MP.
MP.
Na asmadi we na carry MP no.
Me MP no say me na sika o me ho. And I me na sponsorship.
Ko standing for MP. Asmadi we na.
No, asmadi na nto aba. Kro ne hwe de ma ya kuntu say ma guta fo kwan nyina mo.
Enti hi na onya sika de ko file.
Oh, ayi Kwame Nkrumah ma bi. Oyem paboa. Doctor kwa ko tin ne ma miska no.
I see.
Say me fan Costa. Mama Mosbe. Edos no say hit kasa say that man for.
Na de ko fa, o de ko pick for.
Na ayi Prague abobo ya na Achuma Rural Bank. Omo oduru ayi a kwada so a omo so eso ma sense on babo bi ni bebe ne bo ami Zoro West also London
think abe MP Waterfall
MP Waterfall 7 am 7
with asmadi we
omo so omo ya we say me star
but me house me who posters sa
oh e bo abonti won nyina
bo posters
oh ma bo posters ka kwa me wa ba kro be kire o
we are sure
e bo
me o stick o flyer na me hu say o send bre me and I'm saying, hey, do you know that ballot number saying?
Number 7, Abefa.
Number 7.
Abefa.
Perfect number, so.
Now, I'm to Tia.
I'm to Tia.
Fear Delgis.
Do shadi to Tia.
Say, but you don't permit your mom.
Don't you think it's your personality?
Oh, there be no one. Oh,
if you are not sure, the thing say, somebody you be a vagabond on what the constituency.
Oh, sir, for many bad record or tough. Many department between 90 groma dear. No two, no second. Untimia machine. I see. Almost be a camp woman. I'm warm. We have tough voice here and camp home. Oh, I'm Mobia, or Basso 50 in Abitia. And I'm Thomas Obia Anton most to go. Madame Madi and Chintana Power Bar. Oh, that get now, but you have to over tour. Not for car 1 city. Total busy for my swab at me. One time I saw my boat, teams and a man buffet. Okay, a man told me, I can't but me, I'm a tree crown on me free. Oh, maybe I'm a vote to my every day. Only free, only every museum. As I for him, I made it 10 years. Why she's capable? Must say, Scar. Now do Scar who can now find investing out of politics. Oh, what do you see in politics? Oh, I am our Korea politics. Oh, some if you listen to Bob Croon, Tafu Crony idea. Who will listen to Bob? And bought a Tafu Croon. And 1 man episode of Bob. Oh, some bad. Oh, I'm pinning some bar, say me. Me bad boys in a major memo Jumae school. Over Momo Jumae school. I'm a bar, my paper school are more magazine senior, I'm a goon in a mom, and never make a kind of an ordin. And two more promises. They promise you on what deceive me. I see. Fair Dergis. So, Ranty and Jumae made a Nessie and Bar, may to be fair Dergis. Oh, promise him Ranty over Momo Jumae. Momo Jumae boys, what were some of your campaign messages? Oh, seven promises almost a bar. May Mamma Pragia 20. Omo Dergis one better no. Okay. Any omo bia memo bia ba be adwuma mom. Pragia 20. Memo unda match memo 4. E dey unda match. Okay. Memo so 4. Okay. Ah omo nyina police station nyina bia anya adwuma nhwe omo. Anka other boys no omo nya adwuma nyina bi so school police, soldier, navy. So we be a was I linking? No, was I linking? No, send a number for the number. Was I go for the number? If I want you and send your can't say, oh, Chamount to me, our friend, Omina sick, or so you know, I will say, me. I want this opportunity, my mamma. I grab friend, I foreign minister, I Sir John. That's Mr. John and negotiate as a may. No, or my disciple. Why didn't when you was my dear, no one try nice picture, or man believing you. Because with this Asmadi, nobody will vote for you. Asmadi and Toba. Tana watching you to David. You're very planning wonderful. And say, be a no more as almost canon. I won't defer tree. So they be no more ya Vincent.
It's one that winning.
Vincent Atifo na winning.
Oh, okay.
When you 299 on day 5. There's doing any time again. Come in me 10 cry na come pay. One say command to me. I fear delegates. He say next year I'm standing 4 years time but make fear delegates. Fear delegates come na twaba. And the MPP dey MPP we na eta o mo china.
Na oh say MPP ni.
Oh, me only na.
Okay, just standing in the name of MPP.
MPP, say me MPP.
Oh, okay.
Oma deceive me. Oma di me true. Oma deceive me na me. Amaboka. E ben se si onyina maton.
Oh.
Say me fear me si onyina maton.
Afra.
Ama me store so wadu mi na me da rent.
Oh.
Say di medie kura na kam say Vincent say wonya awe na awia. Ada wo ma odi on pe kakra ma me na me pante me ka so nyesa. Say me honye. David kwa oba de wo kwa na pe kakra.
69 million viewership. Record label.
Yes. David Hammer.
Anyway, I was also cool. I'm watching live on Dave Hammer TV. Also, so far industry, say now because I'm out for a chong sign. Are you willing to go forward? And I said, more chong sign into the mouse also no. Why relax? Because we will be I was a woman pay, but I'm not seeing it. Why?
David, the TN say on say. Bible cross be here say no Nyankopon pagya free me nia bambu ena me se da me da so me be bro be Nyankopon nyim kwa vinu sem ensu bi o wiase bi ankumi maka to asana be wura mu bi
David ubo
hudi se dia me bo me se mani biri wo bi a duabo ye ena ma na sidie ne bante ne asase so witness no ena so dia Nyankopon de mani mmiri wo bi
na de nkwa asori
o me kwa asori Assemblies of God
na fe wo kwa asori Assemblies of God pa na ubo hudi a
o me hu so fi bi a
Assemblies of God form pesa.
Omumpe. Me boya. Tama me kwa so. Tama me kwa so na me bodua no. Na me kuru aso. Me se me ni miri obi. David yi. Oba do private car no campus ne akopments buy. Wa mole. Obi maka na pampa. And abetim da ye room kaka hu nkura. Ana kugu abetim da asra. Ti eno nya me lie. Me nya bi me
me mole.
Wa mole. Some YouTube tuya meka. Me nipa phone tuya meka. Ghana ha. Manti bia me give for sika doctor ko quote don go bites atuma rural bank to ameka pragen abobo ye to ameka we are YouTube say to ameka the for we dey na meje so obi akra ma me 2000 kra 2000
escapa
no so me nkoye na ebi de na machire se me nya adi bi mom ne ade me se menye so da ebi de omo rural ba bia mempa mo nwuro obi enka me kuta nipa viewers the 3 months your sister 4 million viewers and no actually ebi be come on is 7 million me nipa 95 million here adwuma big companies na me no mo here adwuma what you say adana ka nse mi sa mo kokora me amfa bua mo se me medwe se wo David we na aso me doctor go quote ada romanti ni ko me ebi ni me David kwa me nkroma nyama ko me 0 west me ko me me
I see
ta for mine na na je for ma ko me me o 240 ko so CD2 oso ma ko me ne na preko ko me me a bi sa wo nyina na me ko di o mo chi a edi wo de be ba
na se wo be star. There are so many forces ekutiawo try say do be konuru so try say be mo akoti ske duro
ebi o sisi ya say
sa
okuta ni passive 95 million ono mo ye adwuma na se bi aka kire se bi a skutu say David o ye duro na ba o say abeje duro na ye adwuma look at the viewers on behwe omo nyina baka so kwa kan de
final
pressure be kasa me ba out abeso adi mi see am obi azo bi anto ade na look at the viewers on behwe no ma sa ne man mempe minim da me wu ne wiase me meje hwe menche meko se da yabodua anka ne djetu da konfo enka ne zamu da
ene oni awoto
o mebre e ho metimi yare
ta
timi yare no mo so hwe no mo to eze meni na eze meni ye me yasa kwa clinic meeting me honam nya coronavirus yaso
nya sure say symptoms ni bia
David
oh yeah sure
oh mako hospital mako no mo gana mo zia me come godfather hono me call ye so far mo wako okwo zo ko jo bia ni wo yi amanfo na yesa no mo tunduru tietie no so oba yale o ha oba ye basabasa ho ba ye jeje David me nyame amesomo no mentimi na machi mfa nyame fofo da nyame na amesomo no na me di na chisa se ewu mpokwa na me wu na me wu me bon kwa se me wu mbo na me wu nyame ho amepe se me bunya sika na me wu na ade na ekoso ba ne de ene nam sa actors na actress no ebi ne number bi woni de e be mo I'm so happy
and I'm spelly doom in the industry sir
in the industry
sir a lot of people have been saying it why
they tell say ebi complain say so kwa reach 64 million viewers YouTube money ska Maji me almost bear 34 points something billion on YouTube. On local da so. Nyama be ba ho amintimi nyiska no. Na Ghana YouTube not a single person in Ghana. So we can just catch you so good. Over fine. Now who is it? Who can divide million no me adwuma. Eso no. I don't know my name na mechi mem nyame mani mire obi o. De me de na eso me. What you say? Bebre movie industry go so bit of private cars mo. O come so ko charge bet. Na bet uchama hwan. And na onu Mary koto ware ana yes biso bre ko party na o ma o say ska na. So motor cars ni fie. Me dem nka say me ye o. Na baby ehihia aboa no ehwa na ija no
okay
me de me na ante form say bi say ma menya say ska we menya ska
69 million na unika
me na form nika me na form
okay na so aton ka dey campaign
you so ma ton me kasa sa e bi kasa do say wo ka na se che so ne ko nya na so bi do me say na wo ka so ko wisi what you say any part of her many pension many pen who do
asasem na ya moka na industry no amanfo na mluso we mu bi why ne wo evidence why ne wo sa evidence ya tia
what ya evidence
so ye hu na evidence
on say on by fo ku obi am ya chinda so by fo ku obi ya nche by fo ku obi ya nche no wa e na say yesu wa kunu gwa e mo de sika obi ase be che enti e hu hu ma sam de o kana ni so enyi enti media ase no court so by four kunu ade ne court say ashtan course engine to David o diska obi so e be chew sana de ne te hu ma de to mo ya oba ankwa na ayere ko ya ankwa na wa mu ayefe ene we wu onu kwa so de
nti na obi wana ne maami ewu
maami wu ma bi wu na oba be wu ba mu so na mwa na miti na wakọ wres obetime bi restaurant de didi awie ona ogu akọ inju ade be chena o da dem ona mo je firi hunu ba ene so ama obetime wura boutique na restaurant obewura ho obewura opia afi mo anza fi de otisi stias na hunu fi moja wo ne fe de ho be fe
o mi enko ahoma no so na ye ne ye nua be ma Roxin a movie producer director one Bishop Benanyako nante for a couple of times na ochina nyame aduma e na ye Bishop Benanyako na ye won cry mini Roxin let say abibia boko ye de nyame ase nyame aduma ochina Bishop Benanyako jebo 27th na share na dru ochina ene besie ye nua yibi ya downfall ye bishop ba ko pe wo industry nim na mini nua osoko na wase o se ono so ene ne ye adwuma nante kakra osoko na bishop Jan kwan ehira no bishop shira no bishop sa share ne kom say you will be a star ampara ne wa be star o YouTube nti ono osoko ndi ohuni say bishop nyame sa won so pa o kira ye sie bishop Benanyako de na woka
that's what me say. Now I'm the good from that's what I mean Bishop me papa no fire.
Hey sir.
If I talk to me
me to kapa.
Go na me papa ne ma me no ebo empire. Na the American say Ochina is a training bible teacher. Yes. And so training bible enema me no na besie. Na nipa be wu se onyankopon no na ofia ti be media twemu no a nipa enyanti na se no munye wu no nipa be ti onyankopon na be wa rehemu onyankopon mu se ye be si no edenye the better we make it too much deep talk but record yourself with fatwo it need the bishop extra former 40 days Nipa biara ojina baby country bishop din obi a di bishop fa baby nipa na oye no o makechia ebetua so immediately he goes down because the soul of the man has accomplished the mission of Christ. If the anger of God will strike, it will be biara o tie me no tie na supreme no tie because the person's revenge will not come from man. The revenge will come from God. That's what I want to tell my humanity.
I see. The last time we met, Ewo Kumasi, you made so many revelations. Na I don't know what made you. What makes you think say Obinsa or Bishop Benanyaku ni woni?
Bishop Nankasa. There's a mystery about his death. He was born on Saturday, died on Saturday, and died at the same time he was born, and at the same time he died at the same time dealt.
Chupa.
And he'll be buried Saturday. Now, the only said, Bishop Medical Casaponia or Tabia, not the said they have to do away with him. And it involves a lot of issues. And just upon that issue, nobody saw it piano. And now at that time. It's not Ginipone, no more Ginipone, not I am too late for him, which is not as or you're committed to God. So when Bishop was about to die at the same time, I was also in a trance at that same time. So when I got up and somebody called me to tell me the Bishop, I wasn't moved at all because I knew I was feeling that presence. And that time the Bishop died, now he was rather reading Psalm 41. And by 12 midnight, whatever God communicated to him before he left this earth will be communicated in the realms against every humanity that rose against him. And it will also be around the one or bottom on the one. Also be Namo, not or Katakasa or the Canadian Muslim. Bishop's death is a spiritual encounter, and he will not go to the earth to be swallowed by the soil. Without God's revenge. So the wrath of God is against those people who took that step. Because God can allow anybody, with some job, with some amount of time to test him. He has to do so, and so was tested. So many people before God was tested. Something was tested and he died. Out of that, but God revenge, he made sure all his enemies died. So all the enemies of Bishop will never leave. They will not leave after 40 days. So they should be ready. No amount of prayer can give them life. No amount of consultations will give them life. They will confess and die. And they will die mysterious death. So expect mysterious death coming to happen. As soon as he goes into the soil, mysterious death will begin to work out. I am not speaking like human being. I am speaking as a man of the spirit. And I believe what God's spirit is to me. And I understand spiritual things. And I'm speaking as the spirit gives me utterance. And that is what I am telling the world. That the anger of the Lord, the wrath of God, has risen against whoever stood anywhere against his soul.
What
I am saying is when the body goes down within 40 days, there will be mysterious death, there will be mystery, there will be mystery. Yes. There will people who go through the tenacity of God's punishment.
So we should expect that.
Yeah, we should expect it.
But why should people die in the industry whilst we are praying that the death should be reduced?
Vengeance belongs to God, you understand that? And I be also so, one year obedience, Saponino, and what a cheer and a winner. One year, not depending here, no, Saponino was a cheer and a winner. The Ubeki and also an average. And only idea, Bessie. You'll be a piano, which are so far so. The person will not go scot free. But if I don't show the deer, that is what I want to tell you.
Okay.
Whoever behind the scenes should be ready for the vengeance of God, the wrath of God. And I've already said that humans cannot temper my soul except God. And I'm speaking as the man of the spirit. And I'm speaking spiritual things. I'm not speaking physical. That there will be a mysterious indignation of God against humanity that was against Kwame. I speak. Enya nyankomadeɛ. Nyankopɔn ɔnyɛ nyankomadeɛ, ɔyɛ nsɛnkyerɛnne. Nyankopɔn ma ekukum wɔ firi so ebekum Israelfoɔ atamfo nyinaa. Anaa
Miremfi. It's God who did it.
Nyankopɔn ma Jericho afasuo edwirigui. We are serving the same God. It is because nipa timi tẹ Nyankopɔn n'ase ɛwɔ kunkun yɛ mu. That is why we cannot demonstrate God's power. If you want to know God and know Him well, you must live up to the expectation of God. Live the righteousness of God and be holy, because God is holy. I am speaking not to you as a bishop people here. No. My soul hates them. My spirit hates them because they are not from God. I am speaking as a man like Elijah. I am speaking like a man like Elisha. I am speaking like a man who was like John the Baptist.
Okay.
The same God is still alive. So, and then I will utter a word, and the word that comes from God. The Bible said He sent His word. I will send the word of God. And it's a signal I am sending. And that signal must be.
Okay.
The earth will tremble of this statement that I've spoken. The earth. When I say the earth will tremble.
I see.
But they will pay for it.
Okay, thank you very much, my brother Roxanne. Papai, that's it. That's it. That's it. China, I say, we entertainment review bit me the second flight about. Yeah, Baby, touch the ama be okay. Abusia, Aminia Bema, also for Roxanne, no side director, or side producer, and I'm in Canon live on Dave Hama TV. I say, oh. Ikran waba yeba me name nia Osoko betwaso live on Dave Hama TV. Yeba isia.
Yo, I'm out for way I'm song for me the kwaku man make catch us away Dave Hama. Dave Hama TV Kumasi die. Yeka Dave Hama Hello FM why ba kope. Ba the TV so na me gine. What you say? I know the Santo ya Santa ya bolombo bolom. I'm love it.
Okay, welcome back from that break. Yene Roxanne Papai, movie director, producer, Bishop Bernard. So he discovered Bishop Bernard Nyako had so many works with him, and Bishop left to Accra and Omuntem to tea. Many Kasha no see only Bishop ma many the Papa ma bompaye. Something is going to happen tomorrow. Bishop Benanyako ne yasi ya mefa ne kranchi minua eye osoko so ene ne ye adwuma kakra oso
David
Roxanne akasa ase china BBC
BBC on say asam na kana me rock kakra on say me na okasa me ka che say movie
industry say you are tears dey ba why
there be some me ra on say obi papa no na movie industry
na Bishop or uni babat the way I will see break no amount of cry can bring him back.
The tell say obi a time cross we will be un say anye bi o e bi am da nipa die obi ma na wakai na Bishop wu ni say china pa you know be no say the cross Nyankopon to nsa frɛ ne dia obekwa kodadi
ada na mu nyina mu ni say nyame na to
nsa frɛ ne so bi ne ku na as a training to be senior no kon e be sisi ama obi ba obi no nipa na be kasa nenu asem wo say me na me si
ade the Roxanne kan na wo so ka bia fo afa
ade obi kan say
Revelations be na wo nya
me dey me won say Bishop onye bone da Bishop oye say nye Bishop so me yansa mo bi no esuma ke ni problem bia na adwuma no aduro mu che bo ene mo madwuma radio ne dey na aduro mu che wo so obi otam and I by style we are temptation ni doors
hold your tears
enti say wo she ba wu ne so no an nyame na to sa frɛ ne dia o obekwa ko da di na se nipa da sane ne ku ne dia ene say Kumasi ne ya kedikushi a share nsem na ko Kumasi
sa onkodi a
oje share nsem na ka obi hu say ko yi bibi be si obi so sama nkonkon be si obi so amona ka say e be fa ni mu akasa ama no rekobo de boni ze bia enipa asum se ne enipa asum asi ya
e be fa
enipa no me bia onipa oto ho no a onim ne da onim bishop da
munya de kusan ne
so
amona ka say na mu ye obi amu mu ye Kristo
ya sante mamre ne obeka minipa asum ne buku no we see ne buku no me kwa moving the sulu on be star kra no de we bia na masa ye fed up che say o be star ne de o pressure o be yes o ba be star na wi na nya wi temptations e wo ne emu niema e wo o me ni se wo nya wi asisi nyina ne ya tutu ado e de ne wo o ye star na e de unya 70 years
na nyina I say like
am moving industry budu am antokwa de o so bi o tabi won odidi watem o bete hu ani ba da be o be moving industry so de na o de ba na o nyankopon ma me adwuma so watika fa ye nyina enche be ko e ukunya nko bia uku bishop nko bia uku David nko bia uku MP nko bia uku kokoche nko bia ma fa de we kapa we china we wosem be ma tintirika ma ni monyamfo si o ma the whole world e ji okuni simple
na tell mo kuni simple no na say evidence be na mo
ye ni evidence ani woni e dey ka ne ball no ana say okokoto authority
so yare
ana duane di bo na yare
na mo pese mo be accept
ade jira o yare o say o ma ayi for no sini for no me he o me he na me yare da ha me se masini for me he me di ntia
nse bia no o chi mu se o mo ba e bia o ba betwa ne video de na akwa akokire se na bia wa ye bia wa ne so ate no bia o ba akotwa de akwa akokire. That is what I heard.
Na da hide obi yare da dem an o kutwa koje koto sa na de na obenya wo
nje se mo score for sa na mo
ene ye nyina beji adi ye ne directors ene actress ne actors adwuma ne bia fa no we ka pa first to gu obi hu we de ne hwani na ho na mo cheche mo adwuma ne sa san asan nyina say obi a style ne bia wi lockdown ba obi a nkomma obi a no na so obi a style ne ene obi a star mi say o de na ba ya che nipa no say first hu na first hu edi obochi no na be di bochi na so bochi nyankopon na bishop bishop say bishop titi o Ghana we bishop acting different perfect oko na bishop pon mo ko so won pon mo ko na me tie die ene mbo mapamba na me ko David say de nsu e sa na wia be ye ene de nyame aka na wakasa nyame na meka nyame na ka say ni tamaso a onko da di enyan tam na so ne dependence na so be kunu dia me say o so ko no obi obo je shia no say nsu esi udi ho ya ku ono no e bi say ti ya so
ya mo ken ya ku ono wa mo na ku no
omo aso ni me kan mo nim so ntimi nya ewe de kura na ye kan enipa mo ni je eku no mo me ni hu ye kura se bi ro movie industry mo di say sa no tutu sa ma directors adwuma bo mo actors adwuma bo mo crew adwuma bo mo cameraman for adwuma bo mo e say ho apa na o Ghana o say odidi sinimu CD agu ntimi nya pen drive ko ye broni series grass so ko TV station grass so o de akoma na wie kura no so say wa ko sponsorship e ba so de ye mo obi ahwe ayenye ka ni de edu ya che ene say bibiri YouTube no so kwa abrofo na hu say abrofo bi a bi YouTube channel no say asa ti o de ade to ha omo hwe Ghana when I saw the video to her a bit my 24 million Ghana omo hwe o de to her 3.2 otimba 40,000 20,000 na man to benya say na man pai ne mo senya kopon mo bo se wo hu ID bi a side da hwa pesa ID ba lockdown ba coronavirus enye China for the America for the Italy for the ba yo nya kopon kire ye say ye muade ye do enua no e bi ase chi bi ja ko bi de binya kwa kam kwa sofo na ja ju o be ko se mi yiba se ma yi pampam na wi ai ma yi asma do di
na pampam nyini ze no ade yi ne ho
dabi we mi onwi yi ho
ne no ade yi
dabi yi so ani nyini fa e wa ha
so ani fa
so na yira fa no ya ha nyina nwi ho bi asma na me ko na nsan na ade ne nkwan ne adwuma
arewa kan ye ne
di we na arewa ba the whole Ghana the whole world area ho
China so sad
China man nyina yesu ma nyina yesu hu obi pa Bishop Bernard pa Emma Tintegra was he. Oh, already. Moving this already. The whole Ghana already. The whole world will be already. Kumba wood already. Tiamu na si so me suma me. Me tia bi su ni se bia. Yes be my brother na to na me kan se. The kwa na me kan see bia be do be na me post about down. Now so but you so now so post about. I want say ya. Mr. David. Are pa say stars kwa. Yawada nko aso wo hwe way back yawada nko aso na stars we dey check side date
Say Bishop women da.
Only women don't know that changing the crowd. On the crowd that didn't say something behind. Bibi won't throw the crowd. Or be the crowd that will be you. On back say, as will be I from you to see me. On back of the crowd that will be any. Bonnie mo Bonnie mo Yankopon in him. Teaching the own be a Jebu. A Janya baby. You see we are.
Or say after for say you see Bishop before 40 or say you see Bishop 40 days. BBC. Aye
David we are so laugh flat for 7:30 yam phone call. E kwa ne obi aja so ye de mi an e meka na maboboye. Na mo kwa masa ye dura bekun aja kakra nya na ye di no a. Mo de mo nya range over ne ka sakese a. Mo amomole. Me nka sa ye.
I say o de o suzu movie industry has to be proper be anymore.
No bibi ani.
Oh bibi wo.
Bibi ni David. Ni ente ke bi e de ni. Maybe this we did.
Someone and mamma for energy.
And energy, they say, any money and Jabroso. And again, is the same. My energy, and my man say, I first, it was a capacity who start. Eh, any person was in the person anyway. Oh, no, I will see. I saw a call
near my monkey cafam.
Ah, sir,
we are so be a most should be in oh, the moon you said there's a natural death.
And you natural death. A natural death for you.
Why are you people saying
Nintia do not cast
so many mysteries? Eba, me who say Unipa AMP ni or so for about friends. They abandoned there.
Oh, refil this of free. Also, on another bishop. On another
so many things. The moon is anybody me naturally.
Oh, the crown never does also 40 days. I gave Virginia 40 days over the Obia Bishop.
Anyway,
I'm on is ready. And if I as Bishop David, we ask to be him. So none of you were enough, and they obin to me come home, I said, Yankopon and a meal. So I said, dear, so 40 days. Then I'm only yai, then Yankopon taking vengeance. Na ibi mu ko kasa chiri funu say funu nyi woni mi say wo wu go and obi jina kasa obi oba bi ne kun so different speaking obi aka na me ka say obi go aba kasa obi akasa oh so obi say bishop akojo bi say oba ne kun no sa dem ne kun no bishop aye bone mi say na mi say okay o a lot of problems be in the one for better about say why bi mu so oba ne kun no big complain de oba no ye ne den bia ne say obi so di aba say omo mo kunu be dead na say obi ndesi bi obi so kuna na dey no yale da house ma mo he no onim ninti okasa aya fancy aya na ya kasi edi ade ni de na chi a ben say me so sad ya me adom ochina ya be bishop ye wa kra nyina e be kwa kuja na ma bibia e kama ya friend me Dave Hammer me da Harry beauty parlor ase waterfall yes Harry beauty parlor said no mama ye wan e fair ya Mishra sister Harriet. Yes, I'm sure no pa. A friend me Dave Hammer also cool. YouTube star. Yes, comedian. YouTube. Our bonasum. Asum bon ko abon say. I had 9, I had 10. 19. Now we mun kan. Oh, me hunu me dey o mad dey. I remember be mad dey na mabo. Ti ha dey so e wo mo no. Dey o dey men ko me dey haya na me ho. I dey na wo anu kan. Dey o dey men ko. Me bi dey ni njem se men ko. Na nu kwam ti ase ko agudo su ko na wabo. Na ma bo na mayi. Me bo ma ni sisi me we dey. For me say the pia. And the doctor ko ti si me njai. Me go father sim njai. Na dey udi body pa na udi ring e conscious. Da be na me pese. I ask my conscious. I na me pese me hwe wi ase dey bi ase be yam. Na nya wo ya. Oh, na ya de do o shutu yi te fam ya show na de asitiri ana wa tu afim oh my o twitire na wa twi na firi afim twi na an kan tini de e franchise if kan tini de bia sabe nka e budi te say de kama ese we ni kwa migusu e meyi ese ni yiba ese ba yi bi every ha yi ni na ha na ese ha na 1 2 3 4 5 6 na ese 1 2 3 4 5 6 12 be ni every kwa say ma paba na we ni na kwa next time be to aba na David uni me ntia na me yesa ade ade bi ntimasi o aya na wi ase oba wi ase Yankopon is to bo bia ho aya na me de yen kai dum se bi wo aso de me de watch ball se ni pass we de watch me ti me ya man kula na mo se men kula ball na di se bi jaya mi wu na me ti asa na be sofo na obi bia because eh oso kokura jaya na de ni jaya okwa da wonya efi entinye se bia de me pene se bia babo masum me yi mi tire ho no da bi efi bi bland e wo movie industry bia on the back brand okay and am the buy na mo me brand e ma ne me ye ma me shira mo me huru me nyame egusu yi a ba hu bi o me hu se o kasa o se o sakra sakra o be me jai na adwuma me nyama mo mfa yi say record my bia mama wi me yi ni nyina na me yisa kola me di so for bi achi na di achi na na ehu no ko di obi achi no me a na ma bom panya me say
bia na ko nyani papa bia ko di achi
o so o ko di utunu David I say me na no
I was here to say primitive hammer also ko na potene kano ya fa ko bonetia e bi odi e be ko no aya TV ya da media AG of AG multimedia see do yes a banner media equipment and wallpaper and opeso crane mo fra buchi ba AG cargo be bo san won nema online AG shopping online buy all your things from AG shopping online na obo se nema papa ne ewo no thermometer gun ya dey check temperature nyina AG dey be free abucha ba ti I'm sorry companies mo pe thermometer gun mo ko AG multimedia mbenya bia
AMP so review
oh AMP multimedia yes AMP TV me am that say me sure say won ye pa ai me sure say bibia boko nyame ma won ye odin na bibia eje kama
Dr. Kwaku say
Dr. Kwaku say me na adwuma pe
Ernest
Ernest
event organizer
oh Ernest yeah me am Ernest event organizer Ernest yes Ernest so Angel group of companies Ernest Michiao you sure say bibia ekoso and a bronzy Teflon yeah they see you bronzy Michiao your friend Dave Hammer odom to me ya e be say share bi na me aduma ye be kasa minua mo abrabo yi na nche na yisu aba me das